amor, it's me. So let's spread little love during this Pujo season. Your pal is back with another video. So today I've created a festive look, keeping the festive season in the mind. So I hope you're gonna enjoy this look. For that, keep on watching. So first of all, I've prepped my face and everything I've set. So that is a routine which I always follow. तो मैं आपको दिखा देती हूँ. So now we will start with the primer. So today I'm using this Lakme primer. So I will be applying. I love to apply the tinted primer in the whole face. और जो tinted नहीं होता है, silicone ही थोड़ा base होता है. So I just apply in the pores. Just you have to take a pea-size amount and then just you have to dab. So after that I will be applying a mousse foundation. तो मेरे पास एक Lakme 9 to 5 का sachet का mousse foundation था. So I have thought of like applying it. So I love mousse foundation. Like they are the best. Like आप जो no makeup look चाहते हो या फिर you want it to be very light, not full coverage जो कि मैं चाहती हूँ. I love to have my like जो scars वगैरह है to be like दिखता है तो मेरे को अच्छा लगता है, इतना आर्टिफिशियल टाइप नहीं लगता है. सो डोंट फॉरगेट टू अप्लाई योर ईयर्स एंड नेक एज आई ऑलवेज से. ये आपके स्किन को ड्राई नहीं करेगा बिकॉज मेरा बहुत स्किन ड्राई है, तो दैट विल नॉट ड्राई आउट योर स्किन but it will look perfect. So I want my skin to be glowy. For that I am applying this Swiss Beauty Illuminator. So I will be applying in the highest point of my face like. In fact मैं पूरा ही face में लगाऊंगी. So it will give you a glowy look. There is no flaky chunky particles. So आपके फेस में वो चंकीनेस नहीं दिखेगा. सो आफ्टर अप्लाइंग दिस वी विल सेट अ फेस. सो उसके लिए आई एम यूजिंग दिस वेट एंड वाइल्ड कॉन्टोर पैलेट. आई विल नॉट सेट दी होल फेस बिकॉज मेरा बहुत ही ड्राई स्किन है. अभी विंटर्स आ गया है तो आई विल नॉट सेट. आई विल जस्ट अप्लाई दी. So I am not using any concealer. After that I will be applying the contour powder from the same palette. So now I will be applying some blush and then I will go to my eyes. तो blush के लिए I am using this Swiss Beauty का Pro blush as well as highlight palette. So I will be taking like all of the 3 shades. For the eyes I am using Innisfree eyebrow pencil. So it has a spoolie in it. I will be like brushing my eyebrows, not in a straight direction. Like don't do it in the straight direction, do it in the angle direction of a like 45 degree के angle पे like you have to do it like tilt थोड़ा सा. So what I love to do it कि मैं अपने हाथों में थोड़ा सा rub कर लेती हूँ. Then I draw 2 lines. Now with the spoolie just comb. So now I will be taking this burgundy shade for the crease line. Mix of this color as well as this. I am using a Nika Cake palette. From this Nika Cake pink palette, I will be taking this 2 shades, again applying it in my crease area. Make sure कि आप अपने eyebrows को थोड़ा ऊपर कर दो. So that you get a like idea मिल जाएगा कि कहाँ तक. Take a flat brush. Now a fluffy brush से we have to apply it in the whole area. अच्छा से हमको blend करना है. Now we will be taking a darker shade. And then to create a depth, we will be applying the outer corner. I will be taking this shade. I will be applying it in the So this is a highlighting shade. You can apply it on your nose. So you apply it in the corner of your eyes. I will be taking this highlighting color and then I will be applying it in the corner of my eyes like. I will be taking this Maybelline ka. God, see I've broken it. So for the lips, I will be using My Glam lipstick in the shade Cuffing. So I'm drawing this to make your lips look fuller. What you have to do, you have to overdraw your lips. See, I have left some space in the middle. So I will be applying this Swiss Beauty lipstick, a nude lipstick, and then I will apply this color in the middle. Make sure that you apply a lip balm before you apply liquid lipstick, all of the liquid lipstick. Now what you can see that कि यहाँ पर थोड़ा सा मेरा lipstick is टेढ़ा मेढ़ा हो गया. So I will take a concealer. Just take it in the back of your palm. Just apply like this. What it will do, it will clean the edge. Same thing we will be repeating in the eyebrows को थोड़ा sharp दिखाने के लिए. We will be repeating there. Now with your fingertip. So now I will be applying the eyeliner. So I am taking the Wet n Wild eyeliner. So I am using the Wet n Wild white kajal in my waterline. So I will be wearing some falsies. You can skip it, but I will wear some falsies. तो मेरे तो देखो eyelashes ही है नहीं, भगवान ने दिया ही नहीं है. बहुत दिया है, but बहुत कम दिया है. So I am using this Blue Heaven का mascara. So that मैं mascara क्यों लगा रही हूँ? मैं तो falsies लगा रही हूँ just to set. थोड़ा मेरा eyelashes जो है थोड़ा open up लगे. So after that I will be, in the last I will be using this Pack 53 eyelashes. So you have to apply it. See? So this makeup you need to set, right? तो उसके लिए हम यूज करेंगे फेसेस का मेकअप सेटिंग स्प्रे, जो कि मैं बताना आपको भूल गई. यू हैव टू शेक इट एंड देन सो व्हाट इट विल डू दैट, जो भी आपने मेकअप लगाया है, सो इट विल हेल्प डाउन टू सेटल इट एंड देन वो बहुत देर तक आपका मेकअप थोड़ा फ्रेश लगेगा. और जब जब आपको लगाना है, लग रहा है कि आपको अपना फेस को सेट करना है, तो दिस इज व्हाट यू कैन अप्लाई. Look as well as you have seen me here. So I hope you're gonna like this video as much as I love doing it. So Amos, if you're seeing this